Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Timo Paints, and in today's video, we're going to talk about a question that I recently had on a video about painting garage doors and whether or not you should paint the hinge joint. So we're going to get right into that. If you guys are interested in generating more leads for your business, click the link in the description below and the pinned comment and see how I got leads for $1. A whole bunch of them, too, like 26 of them. Hudson Hawk 6 asked, do you paint the hinge joints? And my first answer is going to be no. Second answer will be if the client requests it, and I would charge a premium for that. So if they requested that, I would have to charge more than standard pricing that I would have just to paint the garage door, or even usually when I paint an exterior house, the garage door is included. So if they requested that, it's obviously a custom service and a premium service. So you're going to have to upcharge if you do that. Now, a little bit of story time. I did have a situation where we were painting a garage door from black to white, and we painted it. Now, everything looked good and great, but we usually paint the garage doors when it's closed. We don't paint it open. So the lady was kind of upset because she likes to leave her garage door open a ways so her cats can get in and out. She had like a cat door on the inside door that leads from the garage into the house. Well, she would allow the cats to come in and out. So when it was open, you could see the strip, and it was really bad. So I actually had to go back and do that. So if you do want to paint the hinge joints, really simple. Basically, you pull your garage door down to where the first panel is exposed, and then pull it down until you can see the hinge joint open. Spray that joint. I'd pull it down. I'd spray the joint. I'd go ahead and spray all the joints first and then close the door, but obviously let them dry. Because if you spray the joint and then close the door, it's going to kind of create like a glue, like a little bit thick, and then it's going to cause some problems. So it'll slow down your process, but it's a cool little DIY way to do your door. Spray the hinge joints, give it 30, 45 minutes, bring it down to the next. And there's typically 4 or 5 panels to spray, so it doesn't take long. So the answer to the question, the short form is no. Long form is, if they pay for it. So hope this helps you out. Hudson Hawk 6. Click the questions coming. I like these types of videos. And if you like these types of videos, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you need help generating leads for your business, click the link in the description below. It works, I promise. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.